We just released an amazing new feature that allows you to show a form based on a set of criteria on the operator screen. So for example, let's say I want to pop a form after the first product is made, and maybe I have to enter some quality information about that. So the way we do that is through alerts. So we hit add alert, we choose our data source. So in this case, I'm going to choose production run because it's going to be when we make one part. And we'll call this first article. Okay, and we'll add an expression that says when total quantity equals 1, we want to show this form. And then I also only want to do it on a single machine, so I'm going to choose Charlie as the machine here. Here we go. All right. And now I go over to Actions, and I hit Add Action, and then I choose a form. The type is form. The action, there's only one action, operator screen prompt. And then we choose our form. So let's call it quality checks. So we're going to show that form when we make one part on Charlie. So let's hit save, and then we'll save this, and then we're going to go over to Charlie here, okay, and I'm going to choose do a changeover so that it'll trigger on the very first part that we produce. So I clicked quantity to make 1, and now I have my form. So what lot number is this? I can enter that. Did I do the temp check? Yes. How much does it weigh? 100 pounds. What color is it? Just showing some examples here of what you can put in. And then I can put in some comments and hit save. Also, you'll notice that we have all of the forms here listed out. So this was my quality check form when I put in my very first quantity. This one shows up when the production run starts. I can edit that and enter that data if I want, but you'll notice that it's pending. And what's nice about this is the system also tracks whether or not the forms have been completed, how long it's taken for those forms to be completed, and who completed them. So as a quick summary, we now have the ability to trigger forms based on a set of criteria on the operator screen to collect data. So it could be a certain number of parts, it could be the very first part, production start, production stop, after a specific downtime. All of those different triggers can be set up to show a form and collect data on the operator screen.